Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult. Replace cartridge in Price Pfister to handle kitchen faucet. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Price Pfister 2-handle kitchen faucet is a popular choice for homeowners looking for a reliable and stylish kitchen faucet. However, like any other appliance, it requires regular maintenance to ensure it continues to function properly. One of the most common maintenance tasks for this faucet is replacing its cartridge. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the cartridge in your Price Pfister 2-handle kitchen faucet. Before you start replacing the cartridge in your Price Pfister 2-handle kitchen faucet, make sure you have the following tools: adjustable wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, small bucket or container to catch any water spills. Faucet cartridge replacement kit available from Price Pfister or other hardware stores. Steps to replace the cartridge. Turn off the water. Before you start replacing the cartridge, turn off the water supply to the sink by turning the shutoff valve under the sink or in the basement. Drain the water, remove the handle from the faucet and place a small bucket or container under the spout to catch any water that spills out. Turn on the faucet and let it run until the bucket is full. Turn off the faucet and remove the bucket. Remove the old cartridge. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the nut that holds the cartridge in place. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw that secures the cartridge to the faucet body. Gently pull the old cartridge out of the faucet. Clean the faucet. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove any debris or buildup from the faucet body and the cartridge housing. Clean the faucet with a clean cloth or sponge and mild soap and water. Install the new cartridge. Take the new cartridge from the replacement kit and place it in the faucet housing. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure the cartridge to the faucet body. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the nut that holds the cartridge in place. Reassemble the faucet. Reassemble the faucet by replacing the handle and turning the water supply back on. Test the faucet to make sure the water flow is even and there are no leaks. Replacing the cartridge in your Price Pfister 2-handle kitchen faucet is a simple and effective way to ensure the faucet continues to function properly. By following the steps outlined in this guide and performing regular maintenance tasks, you can keep your faucet looking and functioning its best. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on a replace cartridge in Price Pfister 2-handle kitchen faucet. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.